back on the R NineT Racer. I'm Bill with Cali Moto TV, as you guys know. If you don't know, now you know. We're up on Highway 29, I believe this is. We're heading from Calistoga, which is below us, and we're heading up into Lake County towards the back of Lake Berryessa. Beautiful ride today. The weather is gorgeous. It's been no rain all week, so we've got fairly decently dry roads. And we finally have the R9T back. So if you guys haven't seen the video, I've already talked about the paint job and how amazing the paint is that Eddie with Shred Dog did. Eddie, thank you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Of course, he hooked it up with the M8 competition Dravit Gray. Make sure you take a look for that video. We'll link it up above. But today we are talking about a very sad subject, because I absolutely love the bike's sound right now, but it just needed something. It needed something. And I just put on, this is the second time I've ever ridden the bike with the new Two Bros can. Of course, we have the BOS header. And if you guys are in the R9T world and BOS exhaust sounds familiar, it should, because the BOS exhaust company is the new proud sponsor of the the BMW Boxer Motor Cup over in Europe. They're the new exhaust sponsor for the series. So first, BOS exhaust, congratulations you guys, because you guys make some amazing products. I have their header. You guys have kind of seen that unique header that snakes around, but that's only a part of why this exhaust sounds so amazing. Obviously the other one is because of the awesome Two Bros exhaust. But I've been trying to find the right exhaust for this thing, and I really like the Two Bros exhaust, but they just released, BOS exhaust just released the new Boxer Cup limited edition Boxer Cup exhaust, and I love it. I absolutely love the design, and it's what it's all about right now. So the BOS exhaust is ordered. Now their expected release date is in March. Their production, they said they're starting somewhere around mid-February, and I have emailed them and asked them if we can get an early release to show you guys. So we'll see. I did purchase my exhaust from them, so they're not giving me an exhaust, but I have asked them if I could maybe be one of the first people. I would appreciate it. So BOS, if you guys are watching this, I would love to get that new Boxer Cup exhaust sooner than later. But it's the look of it is stunning. It's just, it makes this bike so absolutely gorgeous, so much more gorgeous. And of course the Boxer Cup is firing up back up in Europe again. So I'm gonna stay tuned on that this year, that series. And I'm a little bit bummed that Moto America didn't pick up a Boxer Cup. Now I'm gonna vent for just a minute, because what's a vlog without a vent? And this vent is to Moto America. What are you guys thinking right now? So they just released that there's going to be a bagger series at Laguna Seca. Come on, you guys. I hope it's a joke. Someone said this is like the ultimate troll. I hope it is, because I don't know why they didn't bring the Boxer series in this year, but I think Worma is still going to be running a twin Boxer series. And of course, motorcycle.com, I got to participate with them last year in some videos with them, kind of trying to promote it. But yeah, it's a little bit sad that Moto America didn't bring in that series. So, but we do have the Boxer Cup over in Europe, and U.S. rider Nate Kern is expected to dominate again. Ooh, I'm in the wrong gear. He's expected to dominate again this year. So that guy is just whoo. Let's by him. Thank you very much. So yeah, so BOS just released that they are the official sponsor of the Boxer Cup for their exhaust. And man, if you guys haven't seen it, check out BOS Exhaust on Instagram. We'll link them down below. Oh, we got some little motards. Listen to this thing, just sounds amazing. I'm bummed that they're not bringing the Moto America Boxer Cup. Would have been such a great add-on to the series. So maybe it'll come late. They're still planning stuff, but I would love to at some point in time. I would love to get over to Europe and see this BMW Boxer Cup over there. So, like I said, the weather has been absolutely gorgeous recently, and look, as people are out hiking. So the BMW, the R NineT Racer has just been amazing. I love this bike. I get a lot of questions about what I've done to the bike. I really encourage you guys to head back and look at some of the past videos. I've made a new playlist that the R NineT videos are just in. So make sure you head over to that playlist and check some of the videos out, because there's a lot more to come on the R NineT Racer, and there's a lot that's gone on with the R NineT Racer. Hell, when I bought this bike in July, the very first time I rode this bike, was at Thunder Hill on the track. And of course, I just got an incredible deal from Randy over at A&S. I got to give props to those guys. They, of course, let us do all of our review videos. And if you guys don't know, if you guys haven't seen, they unfortunately have discontinued the Racer model from the R NineT collection. It's kind of a bummer, but not a very popular sale, because you know, the R NineT is kind of a little bit more of the older school, older style bike, and the R NineT Standard or Pures and stuff like that, you know, they're more upright and whatnot. People get on this and they're just like, oh, it's stretched out, and you know, weights on your arms, and it's just the whole situation of this bike. It's a sport bike, and I come from sport bikes, so for me it's great. I don't mind it, but a lot of people don't like the riding position of this. But when we're up here on the mountains like this, man, it's a great ride. And there's some great add-ons that you can get onto these things, whatever the case may be, whichever R NineT you've got. There's a lot. These are very popular over in Europe. BOS has a huge collection of aftermarket exhaust slip-ons, and they also have some different exhaust headers. I think they offer 2 different headers for it, the one that I have, and they've got like the one more like the standard, kind of a little bit more like the Akrapovic system. Thank you, sir. So yeah, so we're going to be getting some changes done to this thing, and we've got some more stuff kind of in queue. But I wanted to give you guys a little exhaust update, because the last exhaust update was that we had just received the Two Bros exhaust, and now the exhaust update is I'm getting rid of the Two Bros exhaust. So you guys will have to stay tuned for more videos. As soon as that comes out, there will obviously be a nice big video about the release of the BOS muffler, or the slip-on, which will go into the BOS header, and then we've got the full system finally. So it'll be very nice. So I'm gonna enjoy the next few twisties solo. So I'll say goodbye to you guys, and thanks for sticking around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell notification, smash that like button. The like button is obviously more important than you guys know, so please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, what do you guys think of the R NineT Racer? What should we do next? What questions do you have? I'm very active in the comment section, so make sure you guys leave us a comment down below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and head over to BOS Exhaust. We'll see you next video.